Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z7116XX. 43,000 miles on this Impala, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the large car class, seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Dual zone temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 down the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7116XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.